and then
put the left on.
signal, mirror,
Blind spot check.
blind spot. Perfect.
Got it.
Okay, so every time before you pull over to the side of the road, that's what you do is you signal, you check your mirror, check your right blind spot, and then you pull over.
Okay.
We're gonna make a right turn.
Yeah, I gotta practice those pulling up. Okay, I'm never
I'll do an exercise with you later in a parking lot, pulling up to a curb.
2.
Okay, so we're gonna park it on this hill here. Just like you did before,
Okay.
signal, mirror over the shoulder before
Where
you
want me
pull
to
over.
Park what part of the hill?
Just maybe by the pole, by these trees here. And keep that momentum going when you're going uphill, because if you lose speed, too much speed, you'll roll back. Nice.
Looking at the bump, looks alright.
That's awesome. That's perfect. Okay, now,
I have to turn my wheels a certain way.
yeah, which way do you know?
I want it to do this way. I want.
Do we have a curb here?
Yeah. So what I want to put them this way. So.
Is that a curb?
Or I guess not.
It's the same color as a curb, eh? But it's not a curb.
What is that?
That's just to catch the water.
Okay.
It's like a water gully. It's just to catch the water and let it drain into the drainage, whatever.
Yeah.
So here you're facing uphill, no curb, and go ahead and cancel your signal first, because now we don't need it. And you turn your wheels all the way to the right.
Okay. So towards the curb.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna put in park.
Yeah, into park.
We're gonna engage parking brake.
Engage parking brake. Good. Now, if the brakes were to fail, which isn't likely these days, back in the old days, it's possible the brakes could fail, but now not so much. But in case they did, or let's say somebody came around the corner, lost control, and hit your car, you'd want your car to roll off the road. So that's how it's gonna go off. That
So
way.
if I were to go on, well, you probably wouldn't park on that side, but how would I say it? What if you're going downhill?
We're gonna do that one next.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay. So now, before you leave, I'm gonna break things down for you into 3 steps when you're pulling away here.
Sure.
Makes it easier to remember, and it gets into your muscle memory a little bit better if you do the same thing the same way every single time. So step 1 is to straighten the wheels out first.
How do I know?
Your spidey senses are strong. they're straight.
Okay.
And if you're not sure, just to show you, turn your wheels back to the right, but count how many times the wheel goes around.
1.
So it's like 1 and 1 1/4, something like that. So it's 1/4 and 1 full rotation back to the straight ahead position.